This is a review of the REDTIGER dual dash cam that I would definitely recommend. A dash cam is very important to have in today's world. As we all know, we need to know who's at fault or who's wrong, and this is something that is very useful to have. And I'm going to start off by saying that this is 4K for the fronts and 4K for the rears, and it's also ultra clear 5.8. And you can see it's Wi-Fi as well too. One of the things I like about this dash cam is that it's GPS built in, and it has a 128 gigabytes of storage as well too, which is plenty of storage to save up all the clips that are necessary to save up. And it also has an app where you download the REDTIGER app, and that way you could control and also save and pretty much use that app to pretty much save and all the formats and all the videos that you think that's necessary to save. But yeah, the GPS built in, and it has that as well too, so pretty much a navigation, and it also directs you to it. Touchscreen unit, you can pretty much slide it up and left and right to see, the front and the rear. Like I mentioned, 4K for the front and 4K for the back, so it's really high quality that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But I'm going to open this box up to show you guys on what exactly you get out of the package. So this is what we exactly get: the F77 user manual guide, and then from there, when I take this plastic piece off, we get the user guide manual, which I'll put onto the side. Up right here, we get the window protector thing to prevent your windows from getting scratched. It comes with a multiple of these, which is pretty nice right there. Right here, you get the REDTIGER warranty, I believe, the website, and pretty much everything. Right here, you get the front dash cam and the rear dash cam on the back. You can see that the quality is really amazing. When I open it up, I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is everything that comes with the cigarette lighter right here. So that enables and powers on your dash cam. Right here, you have this thing. That's a huge plus right there to make your installation very easier to hide up all the wires. These are the wires for the front of the dash cam. And then we also have wires for the back of the dash cam as well too. Apart from that, we have the USB power C to C adapter as well too. So it's a C adapter that you can also use to save up storage, or pretty much, to save up any clips you have. What I also like about it is that it also has these pretty much their plastic clips to, for example, if your other ones go bad or it doesn't stick for some reason, you have extra ones. So that's a huge plus. It comes with some extra ones if you by mistakenly either install it wrong, or pretty much over time with age it probably comes off. You have extras as well too. Right, also here you also have the hardware clips right here too, to pretty much clip up your wires. If there's some places on your car that you want to wrap it up, then you have these clips as well too that have a 3M attachment on the back. But I'm going to be putting this onto the car and showing you guys on how the quality and why you should buy the REDTIGER dash cam. So pretty much I have it connected, and then from there you can see it's 4K for the front and 4K for the back. It was very easy to install. Like you see these two wires, it was only 2 wires for the front and the rear camera. And right here you can see it records the front and back. So this is a nighttime POV drive that I'm going to be showing guys how good the quality of the REDTIGER F77 camera is. It's really one of the best, dash cams you can ever get. But yeah, I'm going to start the car and show you guys a POV drive-by on how the good quality is, especially at nighttime. Okay, so more POV drive-bys. You can see how well and good quality. Let's see if the picture quality holds. Hold on. Okay, yeah, like you can see here, how good a quality is for the front and rear, and really easy to install. This was installed on an Infiniti G37. The installation was fairly easy. I would definitely recommend the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. You can see it's recording continuously. It's not like, like glitching like other dash cams probably logs you out or kicks you out. This one doesn't do anything like that. It's also Wi-Fi. You can plug it, like I mentioned before in this video, you can plug it in and it does everything. Like it records 24/7. If there's any files, or God forbid if you get into a car crash, it saves the files as well too. And it goes to your, pretty much if you download the REDTIGER app, it should be very easy to get onto the app and pretty much get the file, and then show the evidence to the police, and pretty much from there you can fight with the insurance company. And as you guys know, a dash cam in today's world is very important to have, because there's a lot of road rage, car crashes that's been happening in this past, especially in Houston. So I would definitely recommend the REDTIGER F77 dash cam. If you are wanting a new dash cam, then this is probably one of the best dash cams that you could get.